Good morning, students. How are you? Let's do one activity. Sound recognition activity. Look at this picture. Here are many things. Here are many things. You recognize the name of things and letters. And pronounce the words starting with these letters. Let us start. What is this? Yes, this is a arrow. A for a arrow. A sound is a. A sound is a. Arrow. What is this? This is a lamp. L for lamp. Lamp. What is this? This is a moon. M for moon. Moon. What is this? This is a hut. H for hut. Hut. H sound is hut. What is this? This is a goat. G for goat. 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 What is it? What is this? This is a dolphin. D for dolphin. Dolphin. D sound is dolphin. What is this? This is a envelope. Envelope. J. What is this? This is a jug. 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 What is this? Key. This is a key. K for key. K for key. What is this? This is a candle. C for candle. C for candle. And what is this? This is a flame. F for flame. Flame. And here what is this? This is a balloon. B for balloon. B for balloon. A for arrow. A for arrow. L for lamp. L for lamp. M for moon. M for moon. H for hut. H for hut. G for goat. G for goat. D for dolphin. D for dolphin. E for envelope. Envelope. J for jug. J for jug. K for key. K for key. C for candle. C for candle. F for flame. F for flame. B for balloon. B for balloon. Okay, bye bye.